Right, here's question 1. For the first question, we want to solve with logs. Log is a power, so the power is x. The base is 3, so we have 3 to the x equals 81, and you can go 3 to the power of 4 equals 81, so x equals 4. That will give you an achievement or understanding mark. You could have done it by taking the log of both sides, that's common log base 10, bring the x out the front, and use your division, and you'll get log of 81 divided by log of 3 is 4. When we're expanding, put your x minus 3 out twice, expand that by using FOIL and group your middle terms. That will give you enough for an achieved mark if you've done the first one correctly and simplified it. And then there are 3 terms in the first times 2 in the second. You're going to get 6 terms. So the x squared is multiplied by x plus 2. Then you take the negative 6 and multiply it by x plus 2. Then you take your 9 and multiply it by x plus 2. Then simplify your x squareds and your x's, and there you have relational thinking. That will give you 5 marks just for that one question. Here we want to know that the quadratic touches the x-axis only once. So we're going to use the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac equals 0. Now in the actual exam you won't have that hint there, b squared minus 4ac, so you've got to learn that. That's the excellent part coming in. So a is 3p, b is 2p, and c is 1. So when we do b squared, it's 2p squared. Simplify that out, factorize 4p out of there, and you've got p equals either 0 or 3. Now if you put 0 into the top equation, nothing happens. You get the line y equals 1. That is not a quadratic. So we discard p equals 0, and the only answer is p equals 3. You're doing extended abstract thinking. That's 7 marks. Here we've got this forested area. We've got the formula, and we want to find the initial value. So we calculate the negative 2.02 times 9, because the rate is negative 0.02 and t is 9 years. That gives us 0.847951. Divide the 152,000 by 0.847991 and you get your initial value. And there we have it. Around about 179,000 kilometres. And for this one here, we've got a hint there, so we move the 14 to the left hand side. Now remember, this here is in thousands of units, so you're going to have to convert your answer at the end. When you divide by negative 6, reverse the inequality. That will simplify your calculation right down, or you could have used the quadratic formula on your calculator. Either way, you'll find that x equals 4 or 1. So we have from 1,000 to 4,000 units, because we have to have between there where it's less than 0. That will give you extended abstract thinking and another excellence question done.